Hi dear students, welcome back to Sukha Math Zone. In this video, we are going to see the second subtopic of the figure it out question. So the first figure it out question is, can you recognize the pattern in each of this sequence in table 1? So in our last video, we already discussed about that. So in this, each sequence have the patterns. So here you can write your own words. Yes, I do recognize the pattern in each of the sequence in table 1. So just we recall the sequences in the table 1. All ones, counting number, odd number, even number, triangular number, squares, cubes, Virahanga number, power of 2 and power of 3. The second question is, rewrite each sequence of table 1 in your notebook along with the next 3 numbers in each sequence. After each sequence, write in your own words what is the rule for forming the numbers in the sequence. So just you have to copy the number sequence in your book to the notebook. So they are giving the some numbers for each sequence. After that, you have to find out the three numbers for each sequences. So just we are going to the number sequences. First one is all ones. All ones means you already know about that. All ones means all numbers will be as a 1. So 1, 1, 1. So they are giving some 7 ones. So after that we don't know. So here the rule is just I'm adding the 0 to the previous number. We will get the next number. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So here the rule is add 0 to the previous number. So next one is a counting number. Counting number they are giving us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after that you have to find the next 3 numbers. So here the rule is adding 1 to the previous number, we will get the next number. Adding 1 to the previous number, we will get the next number. So here the rule is add 1 to the previous number. So next 3 number is a 7 plus 1 is a 8, 8 plus 1 is a 9, 9 plus 1 is a 10. So the next one is odd number. Odd number in your textbooks they are giving us 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. After that you have to find the next 3 numbers. So here the rule is adding 2 to the previous number, we will get the next number. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Rule is add 2 to the previous number. So 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. The next 3 number is 15, 17, 19. The next one is even number. Even number in your textbook they are giving us 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. After that you have to find the next 3 numbers. So here the rule is add 2 to the previous number, you will get the next number. So first number is a 2. I'm adding 2 to the number, so I will get the next number. So here the rule is add 2 to the previous number. So 14 plus 2 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. Next one is triangular number. In your textbooks they are giving the 7 number 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. So the 7 numbers we get the 7 positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here the rule is adding the previous number to the next position, we will get the next number. So the previous number is a 1, the next position is a 2, so I will get the next number. So previous number is a 3. The next position is a 3. So I'm getting the 6. So here the rule is add previous number to the next position. So the next number is 28. The previous number is 28. The position is 8. So 28 plus 8 is 36. The next position is 9. 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 plus 10 is 55. So next three number is 36, 45 and 55. Next one is squares. Squares in your textbooks, they are giving us 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. After 3 numbers, you have to find out. Squares means the base is multiplied 2 times. So 1 square means 1 into 1 equal to 1. So this is 2 square. 2 into 2 equal to 4. This is 3 square. So it's 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. This is 6 square. This is 7 squares. After that, you have to find the 8 square, 9 square and 10 square. So this is the base number. So 8 is multiplied 2 times. So 8 into 8, we get the 64. 8 into 8, we get the 64. So 9 square is 9 into 9, we get the 81. 10 square equal to 10 into 10, get the 100. So 8 square is a 64, 9 square is a 81, 10 square is a 100. So here the rule is, we already know about the counting numbers. Counting numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that it will go on. Just carefully look it out. The counting number will be multiplied 2 times. So this is the counting number. 1 is multiplied 2 times. The next one is 2, 3. This is a 3 and this 4, 5, 6, 7. So the counting number will be multiplied 2 times. So you can write it as the counting number is multiplied 2 times also. So here I am writing as square the counting numbers. Next one is cubes. In your textbooks, they are giving the number 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. After 3 numbers, you have to find. So cube means this is 1 cube, it's 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. You have to find the 7 cube, 8 cube and 9 cube. So cube means the base is multiplied 3 times. 1 cube means 1 is multiplied 3 times. 1, 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. You have to same like this. So 7 cube is 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7. So 9 7s are 63. So 3 is here, 6 is remaining. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. So 7 cube is 343. Then 8 cube. So 8 is multiplied 3 times. So 8 cubes. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8. 64 into 8. 8 4s are 32. So 32 2 is here and 3 is remaining. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3 51. So 8 cube is 512. Then 9 cube. So 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9. So 9 1s are 9. 9 8s are 72. So 9 cube is 729. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729. So here the rule is cubes have counting number, or you can write up multiply the base number 3 times also you can write. Next one is Virahanga number. Virahanga number is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. After 3 numbers, we have to find out. So here the rule is to get the next number, you have to add the previous 2 numbers. So the next number after 21, we have to find out the next number. So 21 plus 13 as 21 plus 13 as 4 and 34. This is 34. So 34 plus 21. Then again 34 plus 21. So 5, 55. Then 55 plus 34. So 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. So last number is 89. Here the rule is to get next number, add previous 2 number, or you can write up 2 previous terms also you can write up. Next one is power of 2. Power of 2 means the base is 2, the power is increased. So the power is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that it will be increased. So here we will see that 1 is 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. We have to find the 2 power 7, 2 power 8 and 2 power 9. So here 2 power 0 means any number of the power will be 0 means the number is 1. So we already see in our last video. So 2 power 7 means 2 is multiplied 7 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 7. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. 128. This is the quite long process. So you can directly find the after number. So just multiply the before number by 2. So 2 power 8 means 2 power 7 is already 128. So this number is multiplied by 2. You can find the 2 power 8. So 8 2s are 16. Remaining 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 1s are 2. So 2 power 8 is 256. So we can find the 2 power 9 same like that before. So 2 power 9 means 2 power 8 is 256. So again multiplied by 2. 6 2s are 12. Remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Again remaining 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 2 power 9 is 512. So here the rule is multiply previous number by 2. Next one is power of 3. Power of 3 means the base is 3 and the power is increased. So here this is 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 3, 3 power 4, 3 power 5, 3 power 6. We have to find the 3 power 7, 3 power 8 and 3 power 9. And before that, power of 2, what we did? The previous number is multiplied by 2. That is power of 2. So power of 3 means the previous number is multiplied by 3. So power of 7 means the previous number is 729 is multiplied by 3. 9 3s are 27. 7 is here and 2 is here. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And 7 3s are 21. So 3 power 7 is 2187. So 3 power 8 is 2187 is multiplied by 3. So 7 3s are 21. 2 is here and 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 2, 26 and 2, 6 is here and 2 is remaining. So 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 5 and 3 2s are 6. So 3 power 8 is 6561 and 3 power 9. 3 power 9 means the previous number is 6561 is multiplied by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 6 threes are 18, 8 is here and 1 is remaining. 5 threes are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 and 6 is here, 1 is remaining. 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So 3 power 9 is 19,683. So here the rule is multiply previous number by 3. In our next video, we will discuss about the visualizing number sequences. Thank you. Thanks for watching.